Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energies. So these are for your daily energies, Capricorn, and I'll be picking one card for your career from this deck and one card for your relationship, guys. So we will turn the cards as we proceed. Now for your daily energies, Capricorn, Ace of Cups, Seven of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse. So Capricorn, with these cards, I see here that you are heading towards some passionate new beginnings, guys. So something, maybe something creative, maybe a new relationship or a new person may be coming towards you, guys. So you are really happy for this situation today, happy for how things are going today, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be discussing about the situation with your friends or family and taking their suggestions or counsel, guys, maybe from some elders or some family members, maybe parents, and you may be talking about this relationship, or you may be talking about this new career, something creative. Maybe you are stepping into a second career, some creative job, maybe like art, dancing, singing, something creative, guys. So you are really happy. That is what I see here. And things are going well, guys, in your life. So with these cards, I do not see anything negative here. Maybe for some of you all, you may have people who are trying to trick you. So you need to be careful on that. Maybe in this new venture, if you are new to that situation, new to that work atmosphere, they may be trying to trick you in some way. So you have to be conscious, be aware what choices you make. So that is what I see here. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. These cards should be read straight, guys, not in reverse. Capricorn, with this card, the oracle guidance is, guys, you need to give up your fear, envy, and that low self-esteem you have in your life, guys. So why are you comparing yourself with others, thinking their success should be yours? You have your own way of reaching success. You need not feel powerless. You just have to do what you need to do to succeed. So you should give up all that fear, envy, and greed, and this comparison, and see the truth in your situation. So what you need to do, you have to do that. You have to use criticism constructively to move forward in your life, guys, to work to your benefit. That is what I see here. So you need to let go of all these dramas, the stories that you tell yourself about yourself based on your past. So whatever failures that you have faced, you should give up all that, let that all go, and go for that successful moment, work towards that success. So in order to do that, you have to give up that fear, greed, and comparisons away, guys. That is what I see here. You can do it in your work. So when you give up all that past hurt and your belief in a particular way that may be the reason for your failure, so you have to change yourself first to see that success. Have that confidence, guys. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship here and now. So with this card here, the energy is that, guys, You have to be in the present. So sometimes we think of our past relationship, what we had, that romance, that the way we felt in that situation. So we will compare our current relationship with that past. So we should not do that. We have only today, the past is gone and the future is not yet here, it is beyond our reach. So, what is present, what is here at this moment is what we need to cherish, and we need to feel that love. So you have to have that passion, romance, and fun with what is there right in front of you, this present relationship, guys. So when you do that, you will live one day at a time, and you will enjoy this present moment, this present relationship, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for your Capricorn, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.